Mika, good morning. This is Papa again. Okay, gising ko lang eh. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Ayun. Normally what I do is, I get out of the house and I just go out and smoke. Well, don't smoke kasi masama yun. This is this is part of the kitchen. This is the outside. You can see, and then yung garden and everything. Can you say Papa? 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 Ang gwapo-gwapo naman ng anak ko. I can see you right now. Huh? He's smiling slightly. What are you doing? Are you standing up? Huh? Are you standing up? Huh? Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Wee! Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Papa, Papa, Papa. Narinig mo yung background na? Remember, nandun tayo sa Sheffield, we were looking at the birds? Huh? You remember? We were looking at the birds when nandun tayo sa Sheffield? I don't know kung meron dito eh. Try natin. Wait. Are there any birds there? Wala. Well, there's a butterfly flying there. Oh, no birds yet. But can you still hear it? Remember yung fat bird na tinitingnan natin sa sa Sheffield before? Ha? Remember? Naalala mo yung fat bird na inaano natin? Ha? Ito. This will help you para maka-identify ka ng creatures. Okay. See that? That's a butterfly. The one na nag-ano sa screen? Say butterfly. Butterfly. See? See that? Ayun yung butterfly. Okay, now back to Papa. See, Papa, Papa, Papa. Musta na baby ko? I miss you so much, Mikael. Pag ikukwento ka kita, okay? I'll give you a story. I'll read you a story, okay? Bye na. We have only 8 seconds to go. Bye-bye. Say Papa, Papa. Love you, anak. Bye.